Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful gaming laptops ever built, the MSI Titan 18 HX AI. This machine is an absolute monster, featuring the latest Intel Core Ultra 9285HX, the ultra-powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 GPU, and a stunning 18-inch UHD Mini LED 120Hz display. Fire emoji. Before we jump in, don't forget to check the link below to grab the MSI Titan 18HX at the best price available right now. You might catch an exclusive launch deal. Let's get into it. Brain emoji, specs overview. This thing is decked out with next-gen hardware. Intel Core Ultra 9285HX processor, lightning-fast with AI-enhanced performance. NVIDIA RTX 5090 GPU, a graphics card so powerful it makes desktops sweat. 18 inches UHD Mini LED 120Hz display, brilliant, bright, and buttery smooth. Up to 128GB DDR5 RAM. Dual Gen 5 NVMe SSDs, incredibly fast load times and transfers. MSI Cooler Boost Titan thermal system, designed to handle extreme loads. Personal computer emoji, design and build quality. The Titan 18HX is massive, no doubt about it. But MSI made it feel premium, not bulky. It's finished in a sleek core black, with sharp edges and a modern aesthetic. The full-size mechanical keyboard with perky RGB is one of the best I've ever used on a laptop. Every key press feels satisfying, and it's optimized for both gaming and productivity. And don't worry, it has plenty of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, and full-size SD. Video game emoji, gaming experience. Now let's talk gaming. Simply put, this laptop dominates. Whether you're playing ultra-demanding AAA titles or competitive esports games, the Titan handles them all effortlessly. Ultra settings? No problem. Ray tracing? Smooth as butter. Even in the most graphically intense scenes, frame rates remain stable and high. What really sets it apart, though, is the AI optimization. MSI's software smartly adjusts system resources in real time, so you're always getting peak performance without needing to mess with manual settings. Television emoji, display, Mini LED masterpiece. The 18-inch UHD Mini LED display is a true showstopper. It delivers incredible color accuracy, deep blacks, and peak brightness that makes HDR content pop like never before. The 120Hz refresh rate adds fluidity to everything from fast-paced shooters to high-res video editing. If you're into content creation, this panel is a dream, covering 100% DCI-P3 and delivering exceptional contrast. Ice emoji, thermals and fan noise. Performance means nothing if your machine overheats, but MSI nailed it here. The Cooler Boost Titan system with triple fans and a huge vapor chamber keeps things cool under pressure. Even during marathon gaming sessions, temps stay reasonable, and fan noise is present but not obnoxious. It sounds more like a controlled whoosh than a hairdryer, totally acceptable for this level of power. Battery emoji, battery life. Let's be honest, the battery life isn't amazing, but no one's buying this for portability. Expect around 2 to 3 hours of light use and even less under load. This is a plug-in-and-go powerhouse. Brain emoji, AI features. MSI is pushing AI integration hard this year, and it's actually impressive. The AI software dynamically manages performance, thermal output, and even screen settings based on what you're doing. It can switch from silent mode while browsing to high-performance gaming mode automatically. You'll also find AI-enhanced webcam features, mic noise cancellation, and creative tools powered by onboard neural processing. White check mark emoji, pros and cons. Pros. Unrivaled performance across gaming and creative work. Gorgeous 18 UHD Mini LED display. Advanced cooling for sustained high performance. AI-powered system optimization. Mechanical RGB keyboard is top tier. Cons. Heavy and large, not very travel-friendly. Battery life is limited, expected. Premium price tag, but justified. Bullseye emoji, final verdict. The MSI Titan 18HX AI isn't just a laptop, it's a portable supercomputer. It's designed for people who want maximum power, top-tier visuals, and the latest tech, all wrapped in a premium, well-built package. If you're a serious gamer, high-end content creator, or power user who wants the absolute best, this is it. It's not cheap, but it's easily one of the most impressive laptops money can buy right now. Thanks for watching, legends. If you found this review helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future videos. And don't forget, check the link below for the best available deal on the MSI Titan 18 HX AI today. Until next time, peace out.